It is just a Skewb. At first glance, it's a usual puzzle where we have to turn all the cube around the corner. But it's not a simple Skewb, but a double, or what is it called? Here we have not 6 sides as usual, but 12. And the weirdest thing is there's a face of the same color opposite each face. Green opposite green, white opposite white, and so on. I'm scared to scramble this puzzle, because I think it's gonna be much harder to solve it than it seems. Let's now try to turn our double Skewb-like cube. So I hold it like a Skewb and turn it. Okay, I'll tell you, this one turns badly. But such strange puzzles always don't turn very well, but they are valued for something else. For the fact that they look strange, scary, and it's difficult to solve them. You know, it seems to me that this is not so Skewb-like puzzle, but again, a puzzle more like a regular Rubik's Cube. If we hold it not like Skewb, but flip it a little bit like this, then we can see for sure that we have a central part, an edge, and a corner. And this is nothing more than 3x3. The only thing here is that the center has 4 colors, the edges have 1 color, and the center is the usual 3 colors. Okay, let's try to solve this cube as a 3x3. Nice, I didn't expect this. But I'm pretty sure that there will be a lot of parity. Okay, let's start. Let's start the timer right away. So it will be interesting to know how much time it will take me to go with this puzzle for the first time in my life. Here we go. The first thing I want to do is combine the central parts with the edges. That is white near white, green near green, then we have to put the corners here. In addition to one center, we combine other neighboring centers with these edges. And most importantly, between these centers can also be one part of a certain color. Between 2 red centers red, between 2 yellow it is already in place, and so on. So now we put the corners. Something strange. Damn, it doesn't match again. But why? God, it's very difficult. Look, well, it seems to be solved, but this is only a part. Great. Next, we have to solve the last top layer, and this is as always the most difficult, especially when it is necessary not to disturb the position of the centers. I don't know how to do it. The timer has already turned off. As I said in my tutorial, if you don't know what to do, do soon. It doesn't change the orientation of the centers, but it can swap the edges. Let's try to do soon, for example, from here. This way, like this, well, like this way. Oh, and then we have a properly solved cross at the top, but in that case the corner is flipped. Well, no matter, it's not so bad. Next, I need to orient the corners correctly. And what do we get? Everything is fine, we have correctly oriented corners. But now I need to swap them, well, for example, using a usual apron. Everything is fine except for this damn center. And now it remains to turn it over. How should I do it? It can be done simply by using the same algorithm that turns the center 90 degrees. And then we will do it again by turning all the parts back and again 90 degrees. Well, for example, J-perm scrolled and lowered. Yes! I did it! God, so small, so diamond, but so complex cube. At first I was sure that it was just an ordinary 3x3, and I was right, but in terms of complexity this cube is much more tougher. I give him 8 out of 10 in difficulty.